Hello, I am back and I'm so excited to be filming and posting videos again. It has been a long time and I missed you guys. I am glad I took this break because it allowed me to really just think about things, appreciate what has come of this channel, and start to actually miss it. And I did miss it, and I'm really happy to be back and posting videos again. First of all, I just want to thank you all for, sticking around and for all of your kindness in that video that I posted. It's no longer on the channel, but I did read all of your comments, and I am so grateful for everyone's kindness and understanding. You're all so nice, you're all wonderful human beings, and I am so happy that you're all a part of this community, and I'm just honored to be your yoga teacher. So thank you so much for your kindness, and I'm happy that you're back. So previously on the channel, I was posting 3 videos per week. That is quite a lot of videos. Moving forward, I will be posting 1 yoga class every week. This yoga class that I'll be posting, this weekly yoga class, will be between 10 to 30 minutes. The longest video that I'll be posting on this channel from here on out will be 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave all of my longer classes that I have done in the past up on the channel, of course, so along with the other videos. They're not going anywhere, so none of that's going away. But moving forward, I'll be posting 1 yoga class, 1 yoga routine per week, and they'll be on the shorter side. I have another option that I would like to share with you. It's something that I really have been interested in doing for a long time, and I really hope that some of you are interested in this as well, because I would love to have a more personal relationship with you and actually help you in your yoga journey. What I'm talking about is a yoga online membership site. So for this online membership, I would be offering full-length yoga classes, probably 1 per week, so about 4 full-length classes between 45 to 60 minutes per week, and there will be no YouTube fluff. You know how in my YouTube videos I come in with an intro and I tell you a little bit about the class, and then I say subscribe, like, turn the notification bell, blah, 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 all of that stuff in these classes for the membership site will be gone, along with ads. There won't be any YouTube ads. It'll just be yoga. So no fluff, no ads, just the yoga class. I know that a lot of people find the ads annoying, as do I, but it's just the reality of YouTube, and that's why YouTube is free. So yeah, with the membership site, none of that, just the yoga classes. Plus some of my best shorter content, shorter routines that will be available for streaming or downloading if you so choose. Along with those things as well, we'll be offering downloadable audio guided meditations as well. I get a lot of comments about how my voice is very relaxing and calming, and doing meditation with me is a great thing to do for that. So if you are one of those people who enjoy my relaxing tone, then the guided meditations would be a great thing to do, to practice with as well. Along with the yoga and the meditations, the membership would also include live group calls. So I would be able to actually talk to you live, and you can ask me questions about yoga, about the class, about whatever it is that we want to talk about. I can actually interact with you live, and I think that is something I would love to do because I've never done that with you before, and I just think it would be such a great community building thing to do, and it would really make us all feel like I am your actual yoga teacher, which is what I want more than anything. I want to be your real life yoga teacher. Even though you're from all over the world, I would love to interact with you and to actually help you personally be able to move forward in your yoga journey. So I think this would be a really great thing, a really great feature to offer in the membership site as well. In addition to that, you would also become a part of a private group community page on Facebook where I would moderate the page, of course, and we can all talk to each other, ask questions to me, ask questions to each other. It would be a really small, intimate group, and another way for us to just really build this community. We already have started building this community on YouTube, and I'd like to just really strengthen that community, help each other out. So that would definitely be another feature. And finally, I would love to also offer some bonus content. It would either be some journaling exercises for personal development, for self-reflection, which I love doing, and I would love to share that with you. Also, I thought it would be really nice to do a book club every month so we can all read the same book, probably surrounding a topic regarding yoga. So a yoga related topic or personal development or something health and wellness related. I love reading, and I think that it would be cool to incorporate that as well. And I know it's a lot, so that's why I'm offering it as a bonus, because you don't have to participate if you don't want to. So to sum up, the membership would have 4 full-length yoga classes, streamable, downloadable classes. You can either stream them or download them onto any device. So that means your computer, your iPad, your any kind of tablet you have, your phone, wherever you'd like. You can watch it on your television. You can stream it, so you don't have to download it, whatever you need. The only thing with downloading is that you don't need an internet connection to practice. You don't have to worry about buffering or anything like that. So if you download it, you can just watch it because you have it on your device. But anyway, that's a side note. So included in the membership, just to reiterate, would be 4 full-length 45 to 60-minute yoga classes per month. You can stream or download. Some other yoga classes that are shorter that you can just download and keep for yourself or stream as well. You'll have access to all of that along with all previous content as well. So if you join 3 months into the membership, you still have access to all the classes that I offered in the previous 3 months. A private community page that we can all interact with each other in, monthly to bi-monthly, so either once or twice a month I'll be doing live group calls with everybody. We can chat, you can ask me questions, guided audio meditations that you can download onto your phone, take with you on the go, take with you while you're traveling, do wherever you'd like, and the bonus material, so journaling exercises, book club. I think those are 2 things that are really just fun community building activities and great for self-reflection and just getting to know yourself better and self-improvement. So yeah, that's a lot of stuff that would come with this monthly membership. I would like to keep the cost as low as possible, so I'm thinking somewhere between $17 to $20 a month, and you'd be getting quite a lot for that price. So it would be like less than $5 a week. Let's say you're only counting the full-length yoga classes. For each yoga class, it would be less than $5, which is about the same price as a latte from Starbucks. And it's about, I think, like somewhere near 85% less than the price of a drop-in yoga class. Drop-in yoga classes are expensive. Yoga studio memberships are expensive, and yoga studios can be quite intimidating. So I think this would be an excellent option. I'm a very advanced yoga teacher. I have 500 hours of training, so I'm more advanced, if you didn't know, than other yoga teachers who only have 200 hours. Working with me would be a really valuable resource for your yoga journey, and if you like my YouTube classes, then I think this would be a really great option. If you're interested in that, I have a link down below and up here on the screen. Please click the link and enter your information so I know that you're interested and so I know that it's something worth doing. I would love to be more interactive with you, have a more personal connection as your yoga teacher with you, and I really hope that you guys are interested as well. So yeah, I'll be posting my first yoga class back on the channel on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. Links to let me know if you're interested in the membership, which I hope you are, in the description box below and in the cards section of the video up on this little eye here on the screen. So if you click either of those, it'll take you there. You can enter your information and let me know that you're interested in the membership. Links to my new website, everything is up and running now, looking great. So if you want to check that out, ChriskaYoga.com. Welcome if you're watching, if you're new, a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. I'm so happy to have you, so happy to be back posting videos. If you happen to not yet be subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down below. Give this video a like, thumbs up, it would really help the channel. Leave me a comment letting me know how you've been doing, what you've been up to, what yoga videos have you been practicing with since I've been gone. I would love to know. Also, any video suggestions for the future, let me know in the comment section below as well. All of the links to everything that I mentioned are in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. And once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that you're here, that I'm here, that everybody's here. We're all here. So yeah, thank you, and I will see you on Wednesday with another new yoga class.